Lesson 11. Plants around us. Plants are living organisms. Like humans, each plant has different parts. The main parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Plants have two main systems, the root system and the shoot system. Let's take a look at the structure and functions of the various parts of a plant. The root system. The part of the plant that is below the surface of earth is called root. There are two types of root systems. Taproot system. A taproot is a thick single root that grows down straight. It does not have branch roots. Small hair-like roots grow from the sides of a taproot. Carrot, pea and bean plants have a taproot. Fibrous root system. A fibrous root consists of many small roots which branch out from the base of the stem. Grass, wheat and rice plants have fibrous roots. Functions of root. The root of a plant performs many important functions. Roots fix the plant firmly to the ground, which prevents the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. They store food prepared by the plant. Roots of plants like carrot, radish, sweet potato and beet store food prepared by the plant. These roots are called storage roots. We eat these roots. Roots have tiny hair-like structures called root hairs. They absorb minerals and water from the soil and send them to different parts of the plant. This helps the plant to grow. In deserts and dry areas, roots of cactus plants spread deep into the soil in search of water. Roots of some plants provide additional support. Take a look at banyan tree. Many rope-like growths hang down from its bigger branches. These hanging growths are special roots. They act like pillars and support the heavy branches of the tree. Such roots are called aerial roots. The shoot system. The shoot system of a plant is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. It consists of the stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stem. The part of the plant that rises vertically up from the ground is called its stem. The stem of a tree is the strongest part of the tree and is known as trunk. Functions of stem. The stem performs many important functions. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. It carries food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. It stores food in some plants. Stems of the plants like onion, ginger, potato grow below the ground, and these are called underground modified stems. Leaf. The leaf is a thin, flat and green part of a plant that is attached to the branch. Leaves manufacture food for the plant. Functions of a leaf. This is the part of the plant where food is made by the process of photosynthesis. That's why leaves are called food-making factories of green plants. Chlorophyll present in the leaves uses the energy in sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide gas into the sugar and oxygen gas. Leaves give out oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. All living things need oxygen to live. Some leaves store food in them, such as mint and the cabbage. Fruits. Another important part of a plant is its fruit that contains seeds. Here is the picture of a half-cut apple showing you the seeds and the fruit. Seed. Each seed contains a baby plant and food for the new plant. Flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Plants have different types of flowers. These flowers are of varied sizes, shapes, colors, and fragrances. Some plants like grass and weeds don't have bright colored or fragrant flowers. Parts of a flower. The main parts of a flower are sepal, petals, stamen, and carpel. Sepals. The green part of the outermost circle of a flower is called sepal. The sepal protects the flower when it is a bud. Petals. Inside the sepal are the petals of a flower. Petals are the most attractive part of a flower. They are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Stamen. Just inside the petals are stalks with swollen tops. These are called stamens. The swollen top contains a yellow powdery substance called pollen grains. Carpel. In the middle of a flower lies a thin flask-shaped structure called carpel. Here is the picture of the parts of a flower. Buds bloom into flowers. Flowers begin as small buds near the stem of a leaf. Gradually they open up and bloom into colorful flowers. Flowers grow into fruits. Fruits carry seeds inside them. The seeds give rise to new plants, and in this way, flowers help the plants to reproduce and give rise to more new plants. Non-flowering plants. All plants don't bear flowers. Plants like fern, fungi, and moss don't have flowers. Even pine trees do not bear flowers. Flowering season of plants. Flowers are seen throughout the year, but some of them bloom in a particular season only. Bulb flowers such as daffodils and tulips bloom during the spring season. Flowers like marigold and sunflower are seen during the summer season. Flowers like pansy, dahlia, and jasmine are seen during the winter season. Some flowers like lily and rose are seen all the year round. Uses of flowers in everyday life. Flowers bring color and freshness to our lives. We use flowers in a number of ways. As food, we eat certain flowers when cooked as vegetables, for example, cauliflower and broccoli. As spices, we use them. The most expensive spice, saffron, is made by drying parts of crocus flowers. Clove and caper are other flower spices. For decoration, we use flowers to decorate our houses, especially at the time of festivals and functions. For wearing, in many parts of our country, women adorn themselves by wearing flowers on the hair. Floral designs. Some flowers have been an inspiration to artists and designers. You must have seen designs of flowers made on items like clothes, sheets, and vases. For making useful things. A number of useful things are also made from flowers. Natural dyes come from flowers such as marigold and zinnia. Oils and perfumes are made from fragrant flowers such as jasmine and rose. No more. Marigold flowers keep mosquitoes and flies away. For greeting, guests at special ceremonies are welcomed with bouquets of flowers. We honor our guests by putting garlands around their neck or presenting a bouquet to them. We also greet people on special occasions like birthdays with bouquets of flowers. As medicines, flowers are used to make many medicines as well. For example, rose petals are used to make rose water. No more. Saffron is used as a spice. It is also used as a dye in cosmetics and making some medicines. Florist. Some people grow flowers around their homes. Flowers are also sold in markets. People who sell flowers are called florists. Florists buy flowers from the wholesale market and then sell them to us. These flowers are brought from different cities. Some flowers are imported from other countries as well. Florists usually sell bouquets. Some florists sell garlands made of marigold and rose flowers near temples. Flowers make our world a beautiful place. They bring joy and happiness to our lives. Taking care of trees around us. Cutting of trees is leading to serious problems like pollution, drought, and flooding. Moreover, trees are a source of food, medicine, wood and oxygen. It will be impossible for us to survive without the trees. We must not cut down trees. We should take better care of plants around us. What can we do? Do not allow anyone to cut down a tree. Plant more trees, water the saplings regularly, add manure to the soil. Nurture the saplings till they grow into trees. Van Mahotsava is a festival of trees. Trees are planted in large numbers on this day. Many schools celebrate this festival. Students plant saplings and they also take part in activities like debates, discussions, drawings and painting competitions. The theme for these activities is always related to forest conservation and preservation. Lectures on the importance of trees are also given on this day. The government is also aware of the importance of trees. It plants trees like neem, jamun and eucalyptus on the roadsides. The municipal authorities water them. The Forest Department of the Government of India plants and protects forests. It prevents cutting of trees without prior permission. A green world is the best gift we can give to our future generations. Let's recall. A plant has two parts. One that is above the soil and the other which is under the soil. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil, absorb water and minerals from the soil and prevent soil erosion. The part of the plant which is above the ground is called shoot. It consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. A bud blossoms into a flower and a flower grows into a fruit. Flowers play an important role in our daily lives. We must save trees in order to prevent pollution, drought and flooding.